Let's go over the solfege and the words to the folk song Shenandoah. I'll start in solfege and I want you to echo right after me. You can click above on the blinking eighth notes for the words. Here we go. So, do, do, do. Re, mi, fa, la, so. Do, ti, la. So, la, so, mi, so. So, la, la, la. Mi, so, mi, re, do. Re, mi. So, mi, la, so. Do, re, mi. Do, re, do. Now I'm going to try it on the words. When we sing in the words, I really want us to stretch out those phrases to give it a really nice, slow, waving sound. This was a sea shanty, and so people would work on the rolling C's, and you kind of have that rhythm to it. So we want to keep a rocking sea shanty, flowy feel to it. So here I go first on words, and you echo me. Here I go. Oh, Shenandoah, I long to see you. Really high do, here we go. Away, you rolling river. Oh, Shenandoah, I long to see you. Away, I'm bound away, cross the wide Missouri. Now let's put it all together with the English words. Here we go. Oh, Shenandoah, I long to see you. Away, you rolling river. Oh, Shenandoah, I long to see you. Away, I'm bound away, cross the wide Missouri. Let's try it with a simple piano accompaniment.